Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Realme device to Realme P3 Pro. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit the same options in both to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue and allow. In this window about new updates, choose whatever you want to and then hit your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of Realme device and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Realme P3 Pro. Also on Realme device, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a few just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it? In here some tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above user guide. Close an ad. Allow camera access and point it at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then hit Receive button. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!